Top 6 simple tweaks to transform your Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Linux Mint with the Cinnamon desktop, you already know it's one of the most user-friendly and beautiful environments out there. But the best part? It's incredibly easy to make it your own. Today, I'm sharing 6 practical tweaks that can completely refresh your desktop experience. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned Linux enthusiast, these customizations are simple, reversible, and don't require any advanced technical skills. By the end of this video, your Linux Mint setup will feel fresh, productive, and uniquely yours. Let's dive in! Number 1. Start with a fresh wallpaper. Your desktop background is the foundation of your entire look. Linux Mint comes with a solid collection of high-quality wallpapers, but changing it is the quickest way to personalize your space. How to do it? Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Change Desktop Background, or go to System Settings, Appearance, Background. Browse the built-in options or click the plus icon to add your own folder of images. Pick one you love. It applies instantly. Pro tip: for a dynamic feel, consider downloading high-resolution wallpapers or using a tool that rotates them automatically. A clean, high-quality background instantly makes everything else pop. Number 2. Fine-tune window effects and animations. Cinnamon offers smooth, polished animations for opening windows, menus, and dialogues. Tweaking these can make your desktop feel snappier or more visually engaging. How to access? Go to System Settings, Effects. Here you can toggle individual effects on or off. Choose different animation styles, fade, scale, etc. Adjust duration for a faster or more dramatic feel. In the Advanced Customize window, you get even more control over timing and types of transitions. Experiment until it matches your workflow. Subtle changes here make a big difference in daily use.
Number 3. Improve readability with fonts. Clear, comfortable fonts reduce eye strain and give your desktop a premium feel. Navigate to System Settings, Fonts. You can change the default font for different interface elements, text scaling factor for larger or smaller text, hinting and anti-aliasing settings to sharpen blurry letters, especially useful on older displays or non-high DPI screens. Even small adjustments here can make your Mint desktop feel much more modern and polished.
Number 4. Transform the entire look with themes. This is where the real magic happens. Themes let you overhaul windows, icons, mouse cursors, and controls in one go. Go to System Settings, Themes. Select different themes for Windows borders, controls, icons, and mouse pointer. Click Add Remove to browse and download community themes directly. Popular options often include modern minimal designs, dark modes, or vibrant styles. Combine elements from different themes for a truly custom look. Don't forget to check the Spices website, cinnamon-spices.linuxmint.com, for hundreds of free, high-quality themes.
Number 5. Add useful desklets for at-a-glance info. Desklets are like mini widgets that sit right on your desktop, clocks, world, calendars, and more. Access them via right-click Desktop, Desklets, or System Settings, Desklets. Download new ones from the repository. Popular choices include weather displays, CPU RAM monitors, sticky notes, or even inspirational quote generators. Customize their size, transparency, and position. Desklets turn your desktop into a productive dashboard. Start with a couple so you don't overwhelm the screen.
Number 6. Customize desktop icons and layout. A cluttered or empty desktop. You decide. Right-click the desktop and choose Customize. Enable or disable default icons, computer, home, trash, etc. Change sorting order and alignment, horizontal or vertical. Adjust icon size and spacing. This gives you full control. Minimalist clean desktop or a quick access powerhouse. Bonus tips for even more Polish. Panels and applets. Right-click the panel to add applets like weather, system monitors, or a better menu. You can even add a second panel for a macOS-like setup. Extensions. Check Cinnamon Spices for extensions that add transparency, better window effects, or workspace improvements. Back up your setup. Before big changes, use TimeShift to create a snapshot. It makes experimenting risk-free. Linux Mint Cinnamon is already excellent out of the box, but these tweaks turn it into something truly personal and delightful to use every day. Which customization are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite theme or desklet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future Linux tips. Thanks for watching, happy customizing, and I'll see you in the next one.